Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to make creamy matcha. First, select a high-quality matcha powder for the best flavor. Sifting your matcha is a crucial first step to prevent any clumps, ensuring a perfectly smooth texture. Next, warm your matcha bowl to help maintain the drink's temperature. Finally, prepare your bamboo whisk, also known as a chasen, for the frothing process. These initial steps are key to a delightful cup. Now, let's talk about water temperature. Heat your water to approximately 175 degrees Fahrenheit or 80 degrees Celsius. It's important to avoid boiling water, as this can burn the delicate matcha, resulting in a bitter taste. Once the water is ready, add a small amount to your sifted matcha. Whisk vigorously in a W or M motion for about 30 seconds to 1 minute until a fine, frothy layer forms on top. This creates the perfect base. To achieve that signature creaminess, it's time to add your milk. Gently pour in about 1/4 to 1/2 cup of warm milk or your preferred dairy-free alternative. For an even more luxurious texture, consider using frothed milk. If you enjoy a sweeter drink, add a touch of honey, maple syrup, or agave nectar. Stir gently to combine all the ingredients, ensuring the sweetness is perfectly balanced to your liking. This step truly elevates the experience. Your delicious, creamy matcha is now ready to enjoy. Carefully pour your beautifully prepared drink into your favorite cup. For an extra touch of elegance, you can garnish it with a light sprinkle of matcha powder on top. Remember to savor your matcha immediately to experience its freshest taste and optimal texture. Don't hesitate to experiment with various milk types, like oat or almond, to discover your perfect creamy matcha combination. Enjoy every sip.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.